Come test drive the 2023 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, remote engine start, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, navigation system, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.